All right, so again, here's the solution. You have to figure out for part B, what unit of time are we talking about? In this case, it was years, so we plug in T for years, so we had to plug in 40. All right, so now let's move on to exponential decay. So exponential decay, things are going to be like losing value instead. So in this case, we have the value of a truck purchased new for $28,000 depreciates by 9.5% each year. And we're supposed to write a function for this situation using the model v of t equals a times 1 minus r to the t power. So this word depreciates basically just means it's losing value. It's decreasing. And so because it's decreasing this time, we're using the 1 minus r instead of 1 plus r in the equation. Okay. But I still need to know what's a and r. So my a value is still the initial. So how much how much is the truck new? 28,000. So 28,000 is my a value. That's how much it's worth brand new. Then my r is still the rate, but this time it's decreasing. So what's the rate of decrease? That's still my percent over here is r. So my r is 9.5%, but I don't want it as a percent. I want it as a decimal. So again, you can divide by 100 or just move the decimal twice. Now you're going to have to add a 0 in front of the 9. So the r is going to be 0.095. So then just plug it in. We have v of t is equal to the a value, which is 28,000, times parenthesis 1 minus r, and r this time is 0.095 raised to the t power. So I have v of t is equal to, simplify the parenthesis part, so 28,000. What's 1 minus 0.095? You guys put that in a calculator. What's 1 minus 0.095? Should get something less than 1, so it should be a 0 point something. Yep. 0.905. Thank you. Raised to the t power. So this is now my answer to part A. It's a decay, so because it's a decay, this is less than 1. First, all the other examples we had were 1 point something. It's a growth, but a decay, it's actually going to be smaller than 1. And then for part B, estimate how much the truck will be worth 12 years after it was purchased. So in this case, my T is in years, and I have 12 years. So I know in this case, T is going to be 12. So I'm basically just going to plug in 12 everywhere we see a T and my function. So I have V of 12 is going to equal 28,000 times 0.905 to the 12th power. And you're going to just plug that in the calculator just like we've been doing. So 28,000 parentheses 0.905 to the caret key 12th power, and then press equals. And go ahead and share with your partner what did you guys get for your answer. Remember we're talking about money, so you wanted to round to the hundredths place, your cents. All right, let me call somebody. Alexa, what did you get for your answer? 63?
Yeah, but it has a 9, so 64.
64 cents. Okay, good. So $8,451.64. So for my sentence, we can say the truck would be worth $8,451.64 after 12 years of purchase.